The main goal of the experiment is to see the Betatron radiation from laser plasma acceleration and characterize it in X-ray range and UV range. Betatron radiation is radiation coming from the interaction of high-intensity lasers with the plasma. So basically, when you send an high-intensity laser inside the plasma, it creates a region, an ion region, and where all the electrons are expelled out. But the forces inside that region are so strong that electrons are called back and starting to oscillate. This oscillation is the real origin of the Betatron radiation. Why is so important Betatron radiation? Because is in between free electron laser sources and synchrotron sources. For sure it has less photons than free electron laser, but comparable pulse length and transverse coherent characteristics. And it has a broad spectrum like synchrotron sources and comparable peak brilliance. The advantages is to have such sources with reduced size and costs, because the plasma requires just a few millimeters or centimeters, and even if you use a laser like a 100 terawatt laser, you just need tens of meter square of room. So costs are less compared to free electron laser and synchrotron sources. Betatron radiation could be useful for a lot of fields in science, in medicine, for security, and because of course they are X-rays. We can do phase contrast imaging, diffraction spectroscopy, and that's it.